My name is Emily. I am 18 years old. I have two brothers. Jack is 20. Daniel is 22. We always thought we looked different. Jack has dark hair and brown eyes. Daniel has red hair and green eyes. I have blonde hair and blue eyes. But we never worried. Families can look different, right? One Saturday morning, I saw an ad on TV. It was for DNA tests. The man in the ad said you could learn about your family history. It looked easy. You just had to spit in a tube and send it to the company. Then they would send your results online. I thought it sounded fun. I called my brothers to the living room. "Look at this," I said. "We can take a DNA test. We can see how close we are." Jack laughed.
That sounds silly.
But I was excited. "Come on, it could be fun. Maybe we can learn something new." Daniel nodded.
I want to try it too.
Jack thought for a moment.
Okay, but only if it's not too expensive.
I checked the price. It wasn't too much, so we ordered 3 kits. 3 days later, the package came. Each box had a small tube and instructions. We had to spit in the tubes and mail them back. That evening, we did the test and sent the boxes the next day. The company said the results would be ready in 4 weeks. We waited. I checked my email every day. Nothing came. Then, 6 weeks later, I finally got an email. The subject line said, "Your DNA results are ready." I opened my laptop and logged into my account. The screen showed colorful charts, but I wanted to see family matches first. I clicked on Jack's name. It said we shared only 25% of our DNA. That seemed low. I thought siblings usually share about 50%. Then I clicked on Daniel's name. We shared only 30%. My hands were shaking. This didn't make sense. I called my brothers. "The results are here," I said. Jack sat on my bed. Daniel sat on my chair. I showed them the screen. "Look at this. It says we don't share much DNA." Daniel frowned.
What does that mean?
I explained what I read. Brothers and sisters usually share about half of their DNA. We shared much less. The website said we might be half siblings, or maybe not related at all. Jack's face turned pale.
This can't be right.
I felt sick. My mind was racing. What if Mom had been with other men? What if each of us had a different dad? I told them my idea. Daniel shook his head.
No, Mom would never do that.
But Jack said quietly,
"It would explain why we look so different."
We sat in silence. None of us wanted to believe it, but the test was clear. Finally, I said, "We have to tell Dad." Daniel looked scared.
Are you crazy? This will break the family.
But I didn't give up. Dad deserves to know. Jack agreed.
Emily is right.
That evening, Mom and Dad were sitting on the couch. They looked happy together. My stomach hurt, but I stepped forward. "Dad," I said, "we need to tell you something. It's about Mom." Mom looked surprised.
What about me?
I took a deep breath. "Mom cheated on you. Not once, 3 times. With 3 different men." The room went quiet. Dad stood up, angry.
How dare you say that?
Mom's eyes filled with tears.
How can you accuse me?
Jack spoke softly.
We have proof.
What proof?
Dad asked. Daniel whispered.
We took DNA tests. The results say we're not related.
Mom and Dad looked at each other. Their faces changed. They were no longer angry. They looked sad. Dad sat down and covered his face. Mom held his hand.
Oh, no.
She whispered.
This is not how we wanted you to find out.
Dad looked up.
Sit down. We need to tell you the truth.
We sat down, nervous. Dad said,
Your mother never cheated on me. We love each other very much.
Then why aren't we related? I asked. Mom wiped her eyes.
Because we adopted you. All three of you.
I froze. What? Mom continued.
We couldn't have children. We wanted a family, so we adopted you when you were babies. You came from different families. That's why your DNA is different.
Jack was quiet. Then he asked.
So you're not our real parents?
Dad's voice broke.
We are your real parents. We raised you. We loved you. Biology doesn't change that.
I didn't know what to feel. I was sad, but also relieved. At least Mom hadn't lied in that way. We talked for hours that night. They said they loved us just the same as if we were their biological children. It was hard to accept at first. Everything I thought I knew about myself was wrong. But as the days passed, I realized something important. It didn't matter where we came from. What mattered was the love we shared. Mom and Dad chose us. They wanted us. They raised us with love and care. The DNA test that I thought would be fun had turned our world upside down. But in the end, it brought us closer together. We learned that family is not just about blood. Family is about love, care, and choosing to be together. Now, when people ask if Tom, Alex, and I look like our parents, I just smile. We may not share their DNA, but we share something more important. We share their love, their values, and their hearts. What would you do if you found out this secret about your family? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to learn English with more stories.